Hey everybody, it's Julie Hoffman, the Street Smart Diva Real Estate Investment Coach, and I want to talk to you today about turnkey investments. Now, there is a very small percentage of us real estate investors, I call them real estaters. We are kind of the crazy ones. We are the ones who want to do this full time, and that's all we want to do, and find deals and write contracts and make offers and raise money and do the landlord and manage the property manager and all that kind of good stuff. But keep in mind, there are other ways to be a real estate investor. You can invest in mortgages. You could be just a general lender. You could work with a mortgage broker that could hook you up with some really great opportunities. And you can also do what's called turnkey investments, where you work with an investor like me, or like a lot of investors who are out there. They do all the work, and all you do is sign the purchase paperwork, probably write a big fat check, probably sign mortgage paperwork, and then you collect money at the end of hopefully like 3 years, 5 years, depending on how long the deal goes. I have 6 properties in Regina, Saskatchewan that I forget very often that I have. I mean, I know that I have them, but they are ridiculously turnkey. They're just managed by a pro. The mortgages are being paid down. Equity is being created. It's not the strongest real estate investment market, but you know what? The tenants are paying down the mortgage, and I'm pretty darn happy with that. So keep that in mind. There are lots of ways to skin a cat, and there are lots of ways to do real estate investment. I hope that's helpful to you. If you want to talk about coaching or working with me in some other kind of capacity, I'd love to talk to you. streetsmartdiva.com/book.